Think about the rapid pace of technological change. The internet, Wi-Fi, smartphones, AI. Yet, our electrical infrastructure hasn't evolved much since the invention of the light bulb. Our homes and workplaces are cluttered with power cords, chargers, and batteries. It's time for a better way to power the devices that fuel our modern lifestyles. ETI creates wire-free power where it matters. Unlike most solutions that focus on charging a single device, ETI's wire-free power zones can charge or power many devices simultaneously with varying consumption needs. ETI uses magnetic resonance to safely transmit power through the air, creating wire-free power zones the size of a desktop or even a room. As devices equipped with our power receivers enter the zone, they convert the magnetic energy into electricity to power themselves or charge their batteries. With dozens of patents and FCC and CE safety certifications, ETI is market-ready. In fact, we've already manufactured and shipped consumer products utilizing our power system. We're partnering with innovators to develop solutions for a variety of applications. From clutter-free desktops, to flexible retail displays, to reliable instrumentation and power grids, ETI's technology can unlock new design possibilities, eliminate battery maintenance, and reduce hardwiring installation costs. Just as the internet transitioned from wired to Wi-Fi, energy delivery is destined to go wireless. Soon, plugging in to charge or hardwiring fixtures will seem as outdated as dial-up internet. Partner with ETI and together we will lead this evolution.